Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fill in the sides or the top and bottom of your Canva image. Say if you're wanting to edit an image. So let's, for example, we're going to take this dog photo here and we're going to put it all the way down the sides. Now, if I center it up, as you can see, there's here on the sides, there's these white boxes. This is how you fix that in Canva. So you'll click on the photo, you'll go up here to the top, and you'll click on Edit. Over here on the sidebar, there are some options. You're going to want to go right here to where it says Magic Studio, and you're going to click over, right there to where it says Magic Expand. When you click on that, it gives you the option to do freeform or whole page. We're just going to go ahead and click on whole page. As you can see now, the whole square is now highlighted. Then we're going to go and click on expand right here. All right, it's going to do its magic. And there you go. Now it fills in the whole page, covering in those white boxes. Hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.